Welcome to The Millionaires, which help you better understand personal finance, investing, and wealth management. Have you ever heard of the gig economy? It's an exciting new way of working that's taking the world by storm. In this video, we'll be discussing what the gig economy is, how it works, and the ways you can make money in this digital age. What is the gig economy? The gig economy refers to a labor market in which temporary, flexible jobs are commonplace, and organizations hire independent contractors and freelancers for short-term projects. This type of work is often performed on a project basis and is sometimes called gig work or side hustles. Essentially, the gig economy is a way for people to earn extra income or even make a full-time living without being tied down to a traditional 9-to-5 job. How does it work? The gig economy operates on a digital platform, which means that most transactions and communication between clients and workers are done online. There are many different types of digital platforms, each designed for a specific type of gig work. For example, there are platforms for freelance writing, graphic design, website development, and even virtual personal assistants. These platforms allow clients to easily connect with workers who have the skills they need. Benefits of working in the gig economy. One of the main benefits of working in the gig economy is flexibility. As a gig worker, you can choose when and where you work, and even which projects you take on. This level of flexibility is not possible in a traditional 9-to-5 job, and it allows people to have a better work-life balance. Additionally, because you're not tied down to one employer, you have the opportunity to work on a variety of projects and expand your skill set. Another benefit of working in the gig economy is the ability to work from anywhere. As long as you have a computer and an internet connection, you can work from home, a coffee shop, or even while traveling. This level of mobility is especially attractive to people who want to work while traveling the world or who have family obligations that require them to be at home. Types of gigs in the gig economy. There are many different types of gigs in the gig economy. Some of the most popular include freelance writing, writing blog posts, articles, and other types of content for websites and publications. Graphic design, creating logos, branding materials, and other visual content for businesses. Website development, building and designing websites for businesses and individuals. Social media management, managing social media accounts for businesses and individuals. Virtual personal assistant, providing administrative support to businesses and individuals remotely. Delivery driver, delivering food, groceries, or other items to customers on behalf of companies like Uber Eats and Instacart. Getting started in the gig economy. Getting started in the gig economy is relatively easy. All you need is a computer, an internet connection, and the skills to perform the type of gig work you're interested in. Once you have those things, you can start searching for gigs on digital platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. These platforms allow you to create a profile that showcases your skills and experience, making it easier for potential clients to find and hire you. It's also important to note that networking is a key part of building a successful gig economy career. Connecting with other gig workers in your field can help you learn about new opportunities and gain insights into the industry. Joining online communities or attending networking events can be a great way to make these connections. Tips for success in the gig economy. Here are a few tips for being successful in the gig economy. Develop a niche. Rather than trying to be a jack of all trades, focus on developing a specific set of skills that you can market to potential clients. This will help you stand out in a crowded marketplace and make it easier for clients to find you. Build a portfolio. Creating a portfolio of your work can help showcase your skills and experience to potential clients. Make sure to include examples of your best work and highlight any successful projects you've completed. Set realistic rates. It's important to set realistic rates for your work that reflect your experience and the value you bring to clients. Don't undersell yourself, but also be mindful of what the market is willing to pay. Communicate effectively. Good communication is key to building a successful gig economy career. Make sure to respond to messages and emails promptly, and keep clients informed about the status of their projects. Keep learning. The gig economy is constantly evolving, and it's important to keep learning and expanding your skill set. Take online courses or attend workshops to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in your field. In conclusion, the gig economy is an exciting new way of working that offers a variety of benefits, including flexibility, mobility, and the ability to work on a variety of projects. With the right skills and a solid work ethic, anyone can succeed in the gig economy and make a good living. So if you're looking for a way to earn extra income or break free from the traditional 9-to-5 grind, the gig economy may be just the solution you've been looking for. Okay friends, I hope you like this video and you get good knowledge from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for such a valuable video. Thank you for watching.